Have you ever noticed how South Sudanese people seem to be everywhere in the fashion industry? And it seems to be a very specific look in the fashion industry. Growing up South Sudanese, this is not something you really expected to really see in the modeling industry until we started seeing it in our faces. So because of that, I want to get into some of the reasons why South Sudanese seem to be doing well in the industry. So let's get into it, man. First of all, my name is Bior. I help young men ascend and improve physically through a philosophy that combines looks maxing training, building an aesthetic physique, all from an anthropological point of view. You seem to be pretty interested in that, so do both of us a favor, hit the like and subscribe button, and give this video some high points. Now, growing up South Sudanese and also talking with South Sudanese models that I know, it is something that is pretty interesting because nobody in the community really expected anything like this to really happen. I mean, a lot of people kind of share the same experiences of kind of maybe either getting bullied or harassed for their physical looks, whether that's having really dark skin, really long limbs, or just having a unique look as a South Sudanese person. So being one of the most popular looks in the fashion industry isn't something that a lot of people would have really expected, but it kind of makes sense when you think about it. I mean, these are people who kind of like different, kind of like out there, not to say, there's anything wrong with South Sudanese people, but they kind of like unique looks, and that is something that a lot of South Sudanese bring to the table just by virtue of our phenotype. And that actually brings me into some of the first points, which is one of the points that I read from this article called South Sudan, the African country producing fashion's favorite models. Now, one thing this article doesn't fail to touch on, amongst many different other things, is that, again, South Sudanese have a very unique look. And it says, this article suggests South Sudanese models have a look that is almost immediately recognizable rather than generic. And somebody also quoted in the article saying they have the perfect skin, they have the melanin, they have the height. So again, not to kind of say that there's certain skin colors that are better than others, but again, it kind of reinforces kind of that unique look that South Sudanese have, having long limbs, which are really, really good for the fashion industry. Height is probably one of the most important things, I would say, when it comes to the fashion industry, just because it's what fashion designers kind of like to design their clothes off of, and kind of the frames that South Sudanese have are what a lot of designers have in mind when making a lot of their outfits, or their things, or whatever it is that they're designing. And with South Sudanese, especially with Dink and Red groups, not only these groups, but especially in these groups, obviously, these are some of the tallest people in the world with average heights around 6 foot. So it is very, very fitting and suiting for them. Looking here, it says taller models create striking visual lines that enhance the clothing and accessories they wear, making them ideal for runway shows and advertisements. Proportional design. Designers often create garments that look more flattering on taller frames, enabling for a more dramatic presentation of their collections. Also, with brand standards, many high-end fashion brands maintain stringent standards that often include recommended height ranges for their models, solidifying the association. So yeah, that's kind of why tall models are preferred. And with an ethnic group that kind of specializes in being tall, it obviously makes sense that they would be a group that's, kind of looked out for, in that industry. Other distinctive facial features that the article kind of highlights are high cheekbones, strong bone structure, and long limbs, and elegant proportions, which is actually something pretty interesting because as someone who's a history nerd myself, I remember looking into history books and seeing things being said like Dinkas or South Sudanese are well-built people, and it is something that I think it's kind of matches up with what we're seeing today. All in all, you can really say it's a combination of things like height, unique facial and just phenotypic appearance, and obviously, things like representation and diversity. I think people in the fashion industry are very artsy type of people, and they kind of like having different looks, you know, people with unique looks around. Now, if you found any of this video interesting, be sure to look at the first link in the description. There I have a community built around improving your aesthetic, improving your athleticism, improving your fitness, all from an educational point of view. And in there, it's a school community. It's a community where I basically break down courses and strategies, ways that I personally keep up with my health myself, and everything to do with that in a community form. For subscription, you pay monthly. Now, if you don't want to invest money, don't worry, I have my second link where I have my email newsletter where I give weekly advice on everything that I just talked about. With that being said, hope you enjoyed the video, and peace. If you've been watching my videos and you actually want to apply the things that I've talked about, join my ascendancy school. And a big reason why is because I had a good physique. I had an aesthetic physique, more importantly. Now, obviously that isn't the only thing, you know, things like look and things of that nature are important as well. Building an aesthetic physique nonetheless does get you more on point. And that's what I'm gonna help you guys do in there. And there you'll get all of my frameworks when it comes to things like me explaining the diet and the workout training routine that I took to get me where I am today over the past 3 years of me lifting. If that sounds interesting to you, the first link in the description will be there. That being said, peace, bro.